Hello Virgo, welcome to Free Your Spirit Healing. This is going to be messages for you for your highest good for the month of January. Thanks for tuning in. Finally getting around to doing some reads. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, wow, okay. So, finally some light has been shed on a connection, on a decision made, a decision to walk away or to move, not walk away, sorry, to move to a place of peace, like find some peace to do with something. Like protecting the way you think about something that's been really, really hard on you. I feel like there's a shift there. And finding your own happy, finding things to be happy about in January. Getting more playful. Ooh. And you may be finding or renegotiating a way to handle assets, and that may be to do with family, division of assets, or things that you are involved with materialistically with family, and that could be your family or extended family, blood or paper family, on paper. So there might be like a renegotiations or looking into assets or housing or division of. Someone might be apologizing for the way something got dealt with to do with assets or housing. Take that as it works for your situation. There we go. Yeah. So either you're offering an apology or someone else is offering an apology, or reconciling differences might be a better way of putting it. When it comes to how things have played out. Because at the end of the day, I think even when feelings are hurt with situations, we all want to heal from it and move on. And this has got like a nice vibe to it. It feels like there's some kind of peaceful resolution around a soul connection, and a reinvention or feeling, feeling like that relationship that's coming up or being looked at, recognizing the aspects of it that didn't work for both of you, the aspects that were burdensome and possibly toxic in some way, the dynamic, very karmic in terms of the lessons. So even though it's a deep tie, I feel that you're recognizing that not all ties are good for you. And it may have been something that really, really shattered your dreams and changed your trajectory, and you may have had a lot of anxiety over that. Yet, I feel that you're also ready to reinvent yourself and move on from that feeling like it's taken you down, moving into a feeling more of back in a place of self-control, where you're running your own shit, where you're calling the shots, and I feel like you're working through those aspects that you recognize held you back, and you may be like seeing a therapist or just talking it through with someone, and by talking it all through, it helps to release it and brings you healing around it, so that you can finally let go of that big fat burden, the anxiety around it, because you know you deserve better, and you know that you're valuable, and you can rebuild your own dreams with a magician there. I feel like you are starting to see yourself differently, and you're remembering, oh, that's what that is as well. I feel like you may have also had a bit of nostalgia, thinking on ways you used to be or things you used to do, and revisiting those things in a way that you haven't done in years. So there's like a sense of freedom, even though the catalyst for that may have been a cold shoulder, or at the time made you lose faith in yourself. You are rebuilding yourself, and through all the mental anguish, I feel there's an opportunity in January to release a lot of that, release those burdens, and set your feet straight, and also an opportunity for love, and that might be revisiting a relationship that you've already been in with the Lovers and love and the reconciliation card, or it could be reconciling with someone who you really love, like a really good strong friendship, really solid and supporting. Or it could be that you're meeting a special someone, and that's coming into your life, and you want to feel prepared for that. So you may still have some healing to do before you're ready to embark on a new relationship, because that one says refusing to see, and I feel like it's healing begins. It's to do with healing old trauma, old wounds, so that you can feel whole in yourself to embark on anything new, so that you're not dragging old habits or old ways of thinking into the future. So set your trajectory with that Magician. You can do that. You can set your trajectory of a happy, beautiful, healthy, wholesome relationship that starts from a solid foundation. You can get really clear with the communication on what it is you want and how you want to be treated and how you treat yourself, and what that looks like for you, dear Virgo. And this month is a good month for visioning and really honouring your unique nature and stepping into your power. So you got telepathy of terra mater. So I feel like there's a completion of old self and stepping into your new powerful self in this year of the 8, and that's an 8. And be wild and be free. Enjoy your freedom, and enjoy the freedom of knowing who you are and what you bring to the table, and own it wildly. Have a good one, Virgo. Mwah.